In our fast-paced world full of noise and stress, Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, acts like a beacon of wisdom. Stoicism teaches us important lessons about being strong, doing what's right, and finding peace inside ourselves. Think of it like a roadmap that helps us deal with life's ups and downs in a smart and meaningful way. Let's take a journey inspired by wise thinkers like Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and Epictetus, and discover 10 key Stoic practices that can help us succeed and be happy in life.
1. Cultivating the cosmic perspective. Picture yourself standing on top of a huge mountain, surrounded by the peaceful beauty of the night sky, with a wise Stoic philosopher by your side. Stoicism teaches us about the cosmic perspective, which means thinking about how tiny we are compared to the whole universe. Instead of getting caught up in small problems, Stoics encourage us to think about the big picture. When we zoom out and see how vast the universe is, our minds clear up and we understand what really matters in life. This helps us not to worry too much about little things and focus on what's important. It's like having a superpower to handle life's challenges calmly and with purpose. 2. Benefiting from negative visualization. Imagine you're in a busy market, listening to a wise Stoic philosopher. Instead of just thinking about good things, Stoicism says it's important to sometimes think about bad things too. This practice is called negative visualization. It helps us get ready for tough times and makes us stronger. When we imagine facing challenges, it helps us appreciate the good things we have and get ready to handle problems. So when tough times come, we're not scared. We're ready to face them and even grow stronger from them. It's like having a secret weapon to turn bad situations into opportunities for getting better.
Lesson 3. Embracing intentional discomfort. Imagine being in a peaceful garden with really old trees, learning from a wise Stoic teacher. While most people love being comfy and having things easy, Stoicism teaches us something different. It says that when we face tough stuff on purpose, we grow a lot. It's like exercising our bravery and strength. Instead of always sticking to what's easy, Stoics encourage us to try things that feel hard. This helps us get used to being happy with less and being strong when things get tough. So, by stepping out of our cozy bubble, we become tougher and stand out from the crowd. It's like leveling up in a video game, but in real life.
4. Controlling the dichotomy of control. Imagine being in a calm garden, surrounded by beautiful flowers, listening to a wise Stoic elder. They teach us something really important called the dichotomy of control. It means understanding what we can change and what we can't. When we figure this out, we stop worrying about things we can't change and focus on things we can. This helps us feel less stressed and more confident. Instead of wasting time on stuff we can't do anything about, we put our energy into things we can actually make better. So, by knowing what's in our hands, we move forward stronger in a world full of things we can't predict. 5. Leading through. Journaling. Imagine living in a world full of noise and distractions, but you find a special way to quiet your mind. Journaling. Stoic thinkers like Seneca thought it was really important to write down your thoughts regularly. It's like having a secret place just for you to think and learn about yourself. When you write in a journal, you get to explore what you like, what you believe, and what makes you special. It's like taking a journey inside yourself. By writing down our thoughts and feelings, we learn a lot about who we are and what we want from life. So, journaling isn't just about writing. It's about discovering the amazing person inside you and becoming even better every day. 6. Using obstacles as opportunities. Imagine being in a special school where wise people teach you cool stuff. One day they tell you something really smart. When life throws problems at you, don't run away. Instead, see them as chances to become better. It's like turning a bad thing into a good thing. Stoicism says problems can actually help us grow and be smarter. By facing challenges head-on, we become stronger and find new ways to succeed. So, instead of letting problems stop us, we use them to make ourselves even better. It's like turning lemons into lemonade and winning at life. 7. Inner contentment. Over external validation. Imagine sitting in a calm classroom where you learn really cool things from wise teachers. One big lesson they teach is about finding happiness inside yourself. Stoicism says we don't need fancy things or lots of awards to be happy. Instead, we look inside and find what makes us feel good. When we're happy with who we are, we don't worry about what others think or compare ourselves to them. We just focus on being ourselves and doing what makes us happy. So, by finding joy inside, we sail through life's ups and downs with a big smile on our faces. 8. Practicing virtue as the highest good. Imagine sitting with friends in a peaceful place, learning cool things from wise people. They teach us about being really good inside, like being kind, brave, and fair. Stoicism says being good inside is super important. It's even better than having lots of toys or awards. When we're kind, brave, and fair, we become awesome people. We make the world better by being nice to others and doing the right thing. So by being really good inside, we shine bright and make everyone around us smile. 9. Embracing Stoic acceptance and resilience. Picture yourself in a big ocean with waves going up and down. Life is like that ocean, full of changes and challenges. Stoicism teaches us to ride those waves with a smile, no matter what happens. It's about saying, okay, this is happening. I can't change it, but I can choose how I react. Instead of getting upset about things we can't control, we focus on what we can do to make things better. It's like being a superhero, strong and brave, even when things get tough. By embracing Stoic acceptance and resilience, we become like superheroes, ready to face any challenge that comes our way. 10. Cultivating gratitude and mindfulness. Picture yourself in a big, bustling city where everyone seems to be rushing around, busy with their own lives. But in the middle of all this chaos, Stoicism tells us about two powerful tools we can use to stay happy and calm: gratitude and mindfulness. Gratitude is like having a special pair of glasses that helps us see all the good things around us, even when it feels like everything is going wrong. Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius said we should take a moment each day to think about the things we're thankful for, like a warm hug from a friend, a yummy meal, or even just a beautiful sunset. By being grateful for the little things, we can feel happier and more content, no matter what's happening around us. Now, let's talk about mindfulness. It's like being a superhero with super focus powers. Instead of worrying about what's going to happen tomorrow or what happened yesterday, mindfulness teaches us to pay attention to what's happening right now. It's like watching a movie and being totally into the story without thinking about anything else. When we practice mindfulness, we feel calmer and more relaxed because we're not stressing about the past or the future. So, by using gratitude and mindfulness, Stoicism helps us stay cool and happy in the middle of life's craziness. It's like having secret weapons that make us feel awesome, no matter what. Imagine going on a big adventure through a magical land called Stoicism. It's like finding a treasure map filled with amazing secrets that help us live our best lives. As we explore Stoicism, we learn super cool stuff that makes us strong, brave, and really happy. Stoicism teaches us how to be like superheroes in our own lives. We learn to handle tough stuff with a big smile and a brave heart. It's like having a special shield that protects us from feeling sad or scared when things get tricky. The Stoic sages, who are like wise wizards, show us the way. They tell us to be kind, brave, and always do our best. Following their advice is like having a magical compass that always points us in the right direction. So, let's be adventurers in this amazing world of Stoicism. Let's use its secrets to be the best versions of ourselves and make our lives awesome.
In conclusion, imagine going on a big adventure through a magical land called Stoicism. It's like finding a treasure map filled with amazing secrets that help us live our best lives. As we explore Stoicism, we learn super cool stuff that makes us strong, brave, and really happy. Stoicism teaches us how to be like superheroes in our own lives. We learn to handle tough stuff with a big smile and a brave heart. It's like having a special shield that protects us from feeling sad or scared when things get tricky. The Stoic sages, who are like wise wizards, show us the way. They tell us to be kind, brave, and always do our best. Following their advice is like having a magical compass that always points us in the right direction. So let's be adventurers in this amazing world of Stoicism. Let's use its secrets to be the best versions of ourselves and make our lives awesome.